Racing just started. We have Tipsy Tapsy. Break quickly at the start. Punk Attack is running by the rail. Case Bell is on the outside. Born in April. Independence, while Foolish Heart is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Case Bell moves about the outside to take the lead. Tipsy Tapsy in second, and in third comes is Punk Attack. Moving up to take fourth now is Foolish Heart. Then next online is Born in April, while Independence now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Case Bell by about 4 lengths. Tipsy Tapsy in second. Then here comes is Punk Attack, now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth comes Foolish Heart. Born in April comes next, while Independence is still racing in less than a fourth turn. We have Case Bell, more length and a half. Tipsy Tapsy in second is Punk Attack. Foolish Heart, Born in April, while Independence is still racing in last as they swing for home. We have Case Bell is Punk Attack. In the middle portion, Tipsy Tapsy is on the outside. Born in April is done on the inside. Foolish Heart comes next. Last 75 meters, so we have his Punk Attack over Tipsy Tapsy, and finally is Punk Attack. Tipsy Tapsy, Born in April, then comes Foolish Heart. Case.
Alright, malayong fourth choice to. Numero 2 is Punk Attack. Crossing the wire first, ridden by John Paul Guse. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 2.